Thank you, Ma'am
Thank you,
Juliet.
Miss Juliet, for delivering the wonderful, inspiring message of our chairman of the AMA Education System. At this point, we will now hear the message of our esteemed guest of honor and speaker. Our guest of honor and our keynote speaker for this year's commencement exercises is a very lovely alumni from ABE Caloocan Campus Batch 2015 with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. AMA graduates, parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Miss Sarah Faye Ocampo. Please give her a round of applause.
Hello. Kinakabahan ba kayo ngayon? Ako din. Joke lang. Okay. Our beloved Professor, Dean, School Director, graduates, faculty member, guests, and parents. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you, ma'am, for the kind introduction. And I want to say thank you kay Sir Jay for inviting me to be your guest speaker today. So, happy ako na mag-share ng story ko sa inyo to inspire. I hope ma-inspire kayo. I am honored and pleased to have been invited to speak in front of you today on what I believe is a very special milestone for every student. Not only to student, but of course to parents, family, or guardian. Sa mga magulang dyan, na laging nagsasabing, mag-aral kang mabuti anak. Tapos yung anak nanonood ng K-drama, nagpupuyat. No, sino dito nakaka-relate? Sabi niya, Mama, okay lang, last episode na. Congratulations po, kidding aside lang po yun. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa inyo dahil kahit gaano kahirap ang buhay, pinipili nyo pa din maitaguyod kaming mga anak nyo na makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Hindi man sa pinansyal, kundi sa hamon ng buhay. And I want to express my gratitude to our dearest teacher and professors to your hard work. Without your help, we are not able to be here in this special event. Palakpakan niyo naman ang mga teacher and professors. Thank you very much. And I would like to extend my warmest congratulations to the resilient and determined student of AMA Computer College and AMA University. Hindi niyo alam kung gaano kasaya ang mga parents and family niyo ngayon. Kung masaya kayo, mas masaya sila. And it's amazing to witness today your graduation, for this is another step towards a brighter future. Tulad nyo, minsan din akong nasa kinauupuan nyo. At that time, hindi ko maintindihan ang nararamdaman ko. Nung ako na ang gagraduate. Natutuwa ako kasi alam ko sa sarili ko na isa itong malaking step para sa akin bilang isang estudyante. Lalo na at working student ako. Hindi madali sa akin ang pag-aaral habang nagtatrabaho. Kailangan kong pagkasyahin ang aking pera, oras at lakas para mairaos ko ang aking pag-aaral. Mabuti na lang sa tulong ng aking pamilya at magulang na laging nakasuporta sa akin at nagsilbing gabay sa natinatahak patungo sa aking pangarap. Ang kurso ko ay Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Nung nag-enroll ako sa ABE Caloocan, isa na akong part-timer. Nung una inisip ko, kaya ko kayang pagsabayin ng pag-aaral at pagtatrabaho? Tapos ang hirap pa ng kursong kinuha ko. Hindi na din ako umaasa na makakakuha ako ng mataas na grades kasi nga hati ang focus ko. Kailangan kong kumita ng pera upang makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Pinasok ko ang magtinda ng kung ano-ano. Nagtrabaho ako bilang isang sales lady sa SM, service crew sa isang fast food, server sa isang resto bar, at naging accounting assistant sa isang accounting firm. 5 taon naging ganon ang college life ko. Pero sa awa ng Diyos, nalagpasan ko lahat ng yun. At my age and based on my experience, I learned that hindi lahat ng plano mo masusunod. After graduation, I plan to review and take CPA board exam. But God has different plan for me. He blessed me a son. Hindi man umayon sa aking kagustuhan ng mga pangyayari, I believe that He has planned for me. At this stage, I need to prioritize my son and be responsible as a mother. So that I started to work in a very low position until I meet the managerial position. And now, I have my own accounting firm and employed as admin and accounting manager in Japanese manufacturing company. Thank you po. Pero, hindi pa dito natatapos ang challenge ng buhay ko. Year 2021, I've been diagnosed in stage 2 thyroid cancer. At this stage, I felt pain and fear. Medyo na-pause ako, nabigla ako. Kasi sabi ko, lungkot ako eh. Sabi ko, katapusan ko na. Kasi di ba pag may cancer tayo, yun agad yung nasa isip natin. I'm done. Kung kailan nagsisimula na ako ng sarili kong company, tsaka naman ako nagkasakit. Pero na-realize ko na hindi ito ang tatapos sa nasimulan ko. I choose to fight. I take all the challenges, obstacles, and struggles positively. Imbis na magmukmuk ako, I choose to persevere and pursue my dreams. The journey will not be exciting if you do not struggle. And those struggles will lead you to success. And I believe if you keep fighting for your dreams, then God will let it happen. Alam nyo, last year, nung nagsasalita din ako sa stage na to, sa batch 2022, kasalukuyan akong lumalaban sa cancer. But today, I want to share with you guys that I'm now cancer-free. Thank you. Very kinikilabutan ako to share it with you, pero I'm happy. Diba? God is good all the time. Do not rush everything. God will give the perfect time for every one of us. Marahil hindi ba dito ang finish line, pero tulad nga ng sinasabi ng karamihan, malayo pa, pero malayo na. Malayo pa dahil alam naman nating lahat na napakahaba pa ng ating lalakbayin. Marami pa tayong pagsubok at paghirap na pagdadaanan. Pero malayo na dahil unti-unti na natin nakakamit yung mga pangarap natin. Naniniwala ako na ang bawat isa sa inyo ngayon ay sobrang maabilidad at madiskarte dahil nagawa niyong matapos ang inyong pag-aaral. Hindi lahat ng tao ay may kakayahang makapagtapos. Hindi din lahat ng nag-aaral ay kinakaya ang hirap. Kaya isa kayo sa nagpatunay na isa kayong madiskarte, matatag, matyaga, matibay at hindi susuko sa anumang pagsubok ng buhay. Hindi nyo man ito napansin pero lahat ng mga qualities na ito ay itinanim na sa atin una pa lang sa ating tahanan, sa tulong ng ating pamilya at magulang. Maraming salamat po. Sa school, with the proper guidance of our teachers, professors, and faculties, thank you also din po. So finally, let me again congratulate all of our resilient and determined graduates. As we progress, always look back on the lesson that you've learned, to the good values that is instilled to us, and the resilience that nurtured throughout of our education, that molded us to have a great foundation. Do not think that learning stops here. Treat this stage as a gateway to a higher level of learning. As the end of school year batch 2022 and 2023, once again, good day and congratulations.